Good morning, my dear children. Today we are doing page 8. The topic is addition, 3-digit numbers. Let's discuss the first question. Children, you can see European mountain rally and a picture. I have put it on the slide. You can see starting point, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4 and finishing line. So between start and stage 1, the distance have given. The distance between stage 1 and stage 2 also has given. The distance between stage 2 and stage 3 also has given. Stage 3 and stage 4 distance as well as stage 4 and finishing line distance also have given. Now let's discuss the first question. It says, what is the distance between the start and stage 2? I will explain the method how to do in the next slide. Children, let's discuss the first question name. What is the distance between the start and stage 2? Look at the map. The distance from start to stage 1, 155 kilometers. The distance from stage 1 to stage 2, 319 kilometers. So, to find the distance from start to stage 2, you should add these two distances. Let's discuss B question. You have to find the distance between stage 1 and stage 3. From stage 1 to stage 2, the distance is 319 kilometers. From stage 2 to stage 3, 218 kilometers are there. You should find the distance from stage 1 to stage 3. So you need to add 319 kilometers and 218 kilometers. Same method you can follow to do C and D questions. Second question. It says the Swedish car breaks down halfway between stage 2 and stage 3. How far is the car from stage 1? How far is the car from stage 4? Now we'll do the second question A part first. Look at the picture. Now, first of all you want to find where the car is. Now the car is halfway between stage 2 and stage 3. In other words, the car is now at the center between stage 2 and stage 3. You want to find the distance from stage 2 to car and the distance from car to stage. Children, if you look at your textbook, you can find the distance from stage 2 to stage 3 is 218 kilometers. I have shown it from yellow color. The total distance is from stage 2 to stage 3 is 218 kilometers. Now my dear children, the car is at the center between stage 2 and stage 3. At the middle, at the center of this line. So if you consider this as a one line, you can very easily see the car is at the middle point and this line has divided into two similar parts. So the total distance is 218 kilometers. You should divide by 2 to find the distance from stage 2 to car and the distance from car to stage 3. There are two methods to find the answer. 218 we can expand and write as 200 plus 18. 200 divided by 200, 18 divided by 2, 9. 100 plus 9, 109 kilometers. Or you can follow the long division method. I have shown it in your right side of the slide. Now children, the halfway between 218 is 109 kilometers. That means the distance from stage to car is 109 kilometers and the distance from car to stage 3 is 109 kilometers. Let's find the second question A answer. Children, you want to find the distance from stage 1 to car. From stage 1 to stage 2, the distance is 319 kilometers. Then from stage 2 to car, the distance is 109 kilometers. In the previous slide, we have found the answer because the car is now at the center or at the middle of the stage 2 and stage 3. So the distance from stage 2 to car is 109 kilometers. So finally, how do you find the answer from stage 1 to stage 2 car, the total distance? You should add 319 kilometers and 109 kilometers. Let's discuss the B one. You have to find the distance from car to stage 4. Now, you know, according to the picture, the car is at the center or the halfway between stage 2 and stage 3. As we have discussed in the previous slide, the distance from car to stage 3 is 109 kilometers. Then from stage 3 to stage 4, 246 kilometers are there. So what is the total distance from car to stage 4? 109 kilometers plus 246 kilometers. Before we move on to the third question, let's discuss these two examples. Example 1. 567 and 623 you should add. 7 plus 3 in units place, you have to add these two numbers first. 7 plus 3, 10. From 10 put 0 and take the remaining 1 as plus 1 and write above 10's place. Above 6 in 10's place. Then 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus remaining 1, 9. Then add the hundreds digits. 6 plus 5, 11. So look at the slides to understand how to write the numbers. Units, tens, hundreds should come under one place and thousands place you should write separately. Look at the second question. 645 and 738 you should add. 5 and 8 are in units place, add 5 and 8. 5 plus 8, 13. From 13 write 3 down and take the remaining 1 as plus 1, write in tens place above 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Then add 6 plus 7, 13. So look at the slide to understand how to write the number. Now you can do the third question according to this method. Before we move on to the fourth question, we will discuss these two examples. 246 plus a number equals 473. You should find the missing number. How do you find the missing number? You should subtract 246 from 473. Always when you are subtracting, you have to subtract the smallest number from the biggest number. Look at the second example. The first number is missing and the second number is 349 equals 732. How do you find this answer? To find this answer, you have to subtract 349 from 732. Now you can do the fourth question.